saw him earlier as one half of Lyrical Force, but he decided that he wanted to bring his own little speak on it spice this evening. So y'all give it up for Mr. Brandon Peace.
My poem is called, it's about responsibility. It's kind of like a poem slash rhyme slash speech. So, bear with me. Who is the cause of my failure? Who is responsible? Who will stand up and take responsibility for my failure? Who? No one. You see, too many of us want to be independent, but we don't want to deal with the responsibilities that come with being independent. We want to be grown and do grown-up things, but what do we do when doing the grown-up thing gets us caught up in a string? We run, we hide, we complain, we play the blame game. Everybody is to blame for my inability to be successful and make something of myself, but me, you are my hurdle, you are my roadblock. If it wasn't for you constantly blocking me, I'll be where I want to be in life. I'll be where I'm supposed to be. See, we hold everyone else responsible for our problems and our mistakes but ourselves. But things have got to change. We must change. See, you could never be responsible for me, just as well as I can never be responsible for you. You cannot answer for me. You could never answer for me, just as well as I cannot answer for you. But what we all can do is take responsibility over our lives and the choices that we make. In life, we may not have chosen the cards we've been dealt, but the hand is ours to play. So let's take responsibility. Thank you.